Hi everybody, my name is Rhys Barber. I'm the audiologist here at Audiology Associates. We upload new earwax removal videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday at 9 PM UK time, so please consider subscribing. Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching our video today. So we have another earwax extraction video for you. It's only one patient in this one. The wax itself, as you can see here, is very soft, very sticky in nature. So we're using the standard size Zollner tube here just to remove a lot of this wax. So as you can see, it's really soft. This patient's been using a lot of olive oil. So the ear canal itself, you can see there's a lot of liquid around the outside edge. The wax itself, very soft in nature. So we're just going to slowly work our way around the outside edge. This type of earwax removal can be a little bit more difficult, and they can be a little bit more uncomfortable for the patient, just because normally we use the ear canal walls to orientate ourselves in here, so we try not to touch the canal walls. But when the wax is this soft and this liquid and sticky, it becomes very difficult to see where the wax ends and the ear canal begins. So you may inadvertently touch the canal, so you've got to go a lot more gently with this type of wax removal. So as you can see, a lot of this is getting sucked into the machine. There's a slight blur in there to the camera. There's a bit of olive oil actually got onto the camera itself, so just clean that off. You can see just how much of this wax just gets sucked into the actual Zollner tube itself. The difficulty then is that with a lot of this wax getting sucked inside, it tends to stick to the inside of the Zollner tube. So obviously we do flush it through with water every so often. So when we start to feel that the suction is reducing, and also you hear a difference in the sound of the suction machine as well, we'll take this out of the ear as we're doing there, just flush it through with water, and then go back to it. So you'll see the tube going in and out of the ear quite a few times today on this video. There we are. Now we've loosened the edges. We can see the canal wall. So there we go. So you can just start to see this is a deeper section of wax now, a little bit harder. So there's a little bit more consistency to it. It's a little bit of tougher consistency. So we can get a good suction grip on this. We've got it to the outer part of the ear canal, but as you can see, it's just wedging just at the entrance to the canal. Not enough structure to this wax to really hold on to it to bring it out. So at the moment, as we're trying to get a grip on it to maneuver it out of the canal, we're actually breaking little pieces away. There we go. And there's the deep plug. So you can see a lot of oil at the entrance to the canal, but the eardrum itself looks lovely and healthy and shiny. So this is the same patient, but the second ear. So you can see, obviously treated this one with a little bit of olive oil as well. So we've got the standard size Zollner tube here. This one's got a little bit more structure to it, so the wax on this side a little bit harder, so we can actually get a grip on it. It's a little bit more kind of almost crumbly, if you notice. So as you get a grip on it, it starts to break little pieces away that get crumbled off the face of the wax and sucked into the machine. Just trying to find the leading edge here, so trying to find the top of this wax so that we can maneuver this out of the canal. As far as the signs and symptoms, this patient had been experiencing mainly reduced hearing, no pain as such, but just lots of muffled, dull hearing. Just lifting from the bottom of the wax to try and, I can see this is staying together in a block, so I'm trying to lift it and maneuver the front end out to get it coming out of the canal a little bit more effectively. But as you can see, as I'm trying to alter the position of the wax, it's just breaking more little pieces off, so not really able to maneuver it into the position I'd like at the moment. Now if we went in with a Jobson horn, it would kind of mush this wax. So I'm trying to avoid that if I can. can see it's starting to come forwards now. Can you see this kind of gentle downwards and forwards motion we're making? It's pulling down on the top of the wax, so we're guiding it. There we are. Now we can start to see we get a little bit of movement. Really wedged in there though, so we're going to go in with a Jobson horn. Now we've brought it forwards, we're going to try and get behind it. You can see just how soft this wax is. So imagine if you were using the Jobson horn deeper in the canal, it just would have spread all this along the canal wall, so it would have been really uncomfortable for the patient to have that removed. But as it is, as we got it to the entrance to the canal, if it breaks up at that point, it's not so problematic because we can use the suction as we're doing here now just to tidy up any bits that stick to the canal wall. Now, so lifting, you can see how sticky the edge of this wax is, so lifting it off the canal wall to try and get this up in one piece if we can. Just trying to unstick it. Starting to peel away now in slightly larger pieces. If we can get underneath this front end here and lift, there you go. That becomes. So we'll get a good grip on this now with a suction tube and pull that piece of wax out. When we look in, you can see a little bit of oil there. There's the eardrum. A little bit of dullness to our eardrum at the moment, so maybe a little bit of mid-ear fluid there. This is what we remove from both ears in centimetres and just over 1 inch there as well. We will show you the tank because a lot of the stuff got sucked into the tank. So there we are. I hope you enjoyed the video.
Thank you very much for watching our video today. If you did enjoy the video, then please like. If you're not subscribed already or you'd like to do so, you can click the subscribe button here. If you'd like to check out some more of our videos, they're also up there. Now, if you want to follow us, you can do on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also check our website if you want to know a little bit more about us. As always, guys, until the next time, take care.